up, guys? I don't have much time left on my camera, but I love early morning. It's like it just has it's it's Saturday, so people ain't going to work. So I guess everybody's kind of sleeping in. You can tell. Um, I like the feeling of the atmosphere right now. I can peer through the clouds up towards the sky up there, and kind of see stars in between. There's outer space out there, but I still feel like cozy in this nice thick ass atmosphere. And you can see the moon over there if you look behind the clouds. And you can tell by the way the sun's hitting it. The sun's that way. It's kind of on the other side, hitting the backside of the moon. That you can tell where the sun's at. It's about to be coming up shortly. I just love coming out here in the early morning, nighttime type time. Like I said, it's Saturday, so it's like you don't really have to rush hour traffic coming out. It's a nice, peaceful vibe, and I think, I do this like quite often. This is like what I mean. Put it this way: I live a really minimalistic lifestyle. I don't rush to work, blah blah blah, and so I can have the time to do stuff like this. I love to immerse myself in the natural setting, and step outside of the structured lifestyle that so many people seem to be. I don't know if you want to call it structured lifestyle, but almost just the habits, the routines that people have. So many people, that's their whole lives, are just living these routines, dude. It's like, dude, life is so much more amazing. Like, I study a lot of, like, science and stuff, and once you, like, learn about certain things, like astronomy and, biology and biological history of the planet and stuff like that, it's like, you can appreciate this stuff, like, so much more. And, like, I see so many people, like, kind of just doing the routine thing. I'm like, dang, man, y'all ain't really appreciating your existence. You know what I'm saying? That's what I feel like. And just being out here, it's just like, I feel so connected to everything. Kind of, I'm just like, it's just an amazing feeling. It's like kind of beyond words, to be honest. I feel so connected to everything. I love this time. When the sun comes up, it's like you're bombarded with like energy. It's like, but nighttime has a nice, peaceful, calm, serene feel. Like everything's chilling. Like all the animals and stuff are sleeping. Everything's so chill. It's like peace. You know what I mean? Like there's no drama, no nothing. I'm just outside. Communicating with like the universe. You know what I'm saying? Like it's such a bigger situation. I really kind of look today. Actually, they're having this thing like turn off your lights day or something like that to look at the stars. It's like I don't even know what today's date is, but they're like, heard it's a thing like tonight, turn off your lights so we could all possibly see the stars. I think people need to be outside more. They need to communicate like with understand like I say communicate with the universe. I don't mean like I mean that just like like kind of feel it. You know what I mean? Like experience it. Don't just go about your routines. Don't stay inside under your roof all night. Every night. Like, wake up in the day and only, no. Come out here. Like, feel space. Outer space. Like, feel. I don't even know how to describe it, to be honest. I mean, the whole situation is just like. I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. That probably wasn't the best way to describe it, saying feel space. But I don't know. I just have like I don't know how to describe it. Like I said, it's kind of bigger than words. But people need to do it. I know that. People need to get out of their routines and just kind of experience like life in its true essence. Like not the social constructs that people call life. No, I'm talking like life as like God designed it, like as it is, beyond the social constructs, in its natural form. I'm telling you, Nothing feels like as, I mean, I don't even know a word for it, like complete. That's probably the best word for it. Nothing feels as complete. I'm running out of time here. Gotta end this video. But I highly suggest it. So get out of your routines, come outside, enjoy the night sky sometimes. Tonight, it's the night. I'm running out of time, so I gotta get out of here. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this cool, chill morning. Bye, guys. Love ya.